Now, as we walk across the bridge here, you can see that it's got a grassy top. It's been filled in over the years, or we're right down to the base stones now. But quite a spot. I'm sure you can hear the water rushing down from the side. So we'll stop and take a quick look at that when we get to the middle. We're at the middle. There we go. A quite lovely and beautiful spot. Amazing places scattered around Caithness if you take the time to look for them. So tourist tips, send your questions my way. Have a good day.